Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have REDMI Buds Executive headphones and I'm going to tell you the best top tricks out there. The best top trick for me is that they support application which is compatible with your both iOS and Android phones. That's very nice. The next top trick is that we have here our LED indicator that indicates if there was a hard reset or no, or it indicates overpairing mode. Apart from that, we have different equalizer presets. It's very nice. And apart from that, apart from our equalizer presets, we have, of course, dynamic sync volume with our phone. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.